This tutorial shows you how to change notification settings in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to control exactly how notifications behave across your device. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Notifications on the right side of the screen. At this point, the main toggle at the top controls all notifications at once. Turn it off if you want complete silence across every app. From here, if you want more specific control, leave that toggle on and scroll down to the list of apps underneath it. Following this, click on any app name to open its individual settings, rather than just toggling it on or off. After that, inside each app you'll find options to turn off notification sounds, disable pop-up banners that appear in the corner of your screen, control whether notifications show on your lock screen, and adjust the priority so important alerts always come through first. From here, head back to the main notifications page and look at the additional settings section at the bottom. At this point, uncheck options like Show Windows Welcome Experience after updates and suggest ways to finish setting up my device to cut down on system notifications that aren't genuinely useful. Finally, if you want notifications silenced during specific times automatically, click on Focus in the left sidebar and configure it to mute everything during your chosen hours. That's how you change notification settings in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.